Okay, today's a big day. We're going to be painting this roll cage. We're not going to be spray painting it though. That way I don't have to tape everything off. Hopefully it looks good. I'm going to do flat black. It's about a total of $27 for the materials. Just some Rust-Oleum high performance protective enamel. Got the primer, so do a primer coat first. And then that. Stay tuned. Right now we're in the middle of sanding the pipes and scraping the welds, getting all the rust off of it. Steve's going to town right now, and so will I. Yep, nice. Once we scrape it down, we'll clean it off with some lacquer or something like that. Lacquer cleaner. And start painting. Busting out the big guns. Frank with the ATV.
I hate this guy. Turn the idle up. Turn the idle back up. Cool.
All right, we just got done sanding, wire wheeling, etc. We'll just mineral spirits this thing down, give it a couple of minutes to dry, and we're gonna start painting.
It's not a big deal to me. I think it's
All right, day two. This is the first primer coat. It's all dry. It's not the best coverage. I'm wondering if I should do a second coat of primer or just skip it and go right to the, I'm going to do flat black. I'm going to read the directions on the can and see if they want more than one primer coat and go from there. But painting this sucks. Definitely a pain in the ass. You've got to climb in there and bend around, and you touch stuff and you get paint on you, and yeah, I don't have the patience for this. But I don't have a choice, so gotta get it done. How you get rid of an oil tank. Yeah, cut it in half, and then anything that's left in the bottom, just light it on fire. And then you can scrap the can once it cools down, of course, because it's going to be quite warm.
Make sure you really get in there with the torch, though.
Yeah, she's burning good. She's burning good. Also, you know, you got like a 15-foot flame. You don't want to like do this under any trees. Jesus. visor.
It looks so big.
He doesn't even know how.
And look, I got a sweet louver on top that Cassie didn't know about.
Don't fuck up my helmet.
Get out of here!
Fight him! Fight him! He can't light you on fire.
Moose! Settle!
This is fucking gold.
Moose!
Chill out, bud. Move up. Come here, baby. Chill out.
Good job, Justin. Motherfucking high five, bro. Yes. Yes.
That was the
You're gonna
spark.
qualify. Hey, you're gonna qualify 16th so easily.